So, the Aairsk X5 is a moped-style fat-tire electric bike with a 750W motor, 48V15R removable battery, and 20 by 4-inch tires. It also comes with dual disc brakes, suspension, and an LCD display, making the specifications look pretty impressive for the price. But here's what the marketing doesn't really tell you. The 750W and 28 mph claims aren't necessarily the same across every version. Airsk's European store lists an X5 with a 250W motor, while other listings describe a 750W version, so you need to make sure you're buying the exact specification intended for your market. I'd also be careful with the claimed range. Listings suggest roughly 50 to 80 kilometers, but real-world range depends heavily on rider weight, terrain, speed, temperature, and how much throttle you use. And at around 35 kilograms, this isn't exactly a lightweight bicycle. So, should you buy the Aairsk X5? It could be a fun option if you want a powerful-looking fat-tire e-bike for commuting and light off-road riding, but I'd verify the motor rating, legal speed, battery specification, and warranty before buying. Overall, the X5 looks impressive on paper, but the inconsistent specifications are the biggest thing I'd investigate. Make sure you're getting the exact version advertised and not simply assuming every X5 has the same performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.